Kiira. Welcome back to Connect with Uganda. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we have yet another exciting episode for you of real estate in Uganda. So we are at a place called Peacock Residences. They are by a real estate company called Universal Housing Uganda. They offer 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartments. They are up for sale. Most of them have already been taken up, but some are still available. So we're going to tour the 3-bedroom apartment and see how it looks like. Of course, subscribe, like and share, and put all your thoughts in the comment section. And if you are interested in the property or any other real estate properties in Uganda, I'm going to put my email and my contact in the comment section and in the description as well. So let's dive right into the video. Peacock Residences is a 2-tower residential development by Universal Multipurpose Enterprise Limited, one of the leading affordable property developers in Uganda. Universal Multipurpose Enterprise has also developed other properties like Kingfisher Estates in Najjera, Canary Enclave in Najjera, Swan Residency in Chireka, Robin Residency in Najjera, and Falcon Estates in Najjera. Peacock is perfectly located on the main roads of Najjera, connecting to Kiira Municipality within Kampala district. The residence features amenities such as a high-rise barbecue terrace, a lift service gym, a clubhouse, swimming pool, and a dedicated parking space. Najjera is a hugely popular area with real estate investors and homebuyers alike. It is a perfect place to buy an apartment of exceptional value in Kampala. It is also a mixed residential and commercial area with all modern amenities, including a large number of small and big businesses, schools, hospitals, and supermarkets, among others. Najjera is firmly established as one of the most desirable areas to live in Kampala at the moment, considering that it's only 25 minutes to the city center without traffic. Guys, welcome to the 3-bedroom apartment. When you enter, this is the living area right over here. It is quite spacious. And let me first talk about the prices of the apartments in case you are interested in buying. So a 3-bedroom apartment goes for 189 million Uganda shillings. That's about 54,000 US dollars. The 2-bedroom apartment goes for 175 million Uganda shillings. That's 49,000 US dollars. And the 1-bedroom apartment goes for 115 million Uganda shillings. That's 32,000 US dollars. I'm also going to list other sizes of the apartments on the screen as well. The living room has a large door that allows in ample light and also opens up to the balcony. The floors look lovely with a soft color. On the right side of the living room is the kitchen and the first bedroom meant for guests. So let's look at the kitchen first. The apartment features an open plan kitchen. The kitchen has the same soft color as the living room. It features spacious worktops, a space reserved for a fridge and a cooker. And then you have the kitchen island as part of the living room. The kitchen also has a door that opens up to the balcony, and this balcony is shared with the living room. From the kitchen, you walk to the visitor's bedroom. It's painted pink. Its floor looks lovely with a beautiful color of the tile. It has a large window to allow in fresh air and ample light, and the window has a wire mesh and burglar proof. All the windows and the doors in the house have wire mesh and burglar proof. The mesh is meant to keep little insects like mosquitoes away, and the burglar is meant for extra security. Next to the guest bedroom is the guest bathroom. It has a toilet, a shower, and a sink, and it looks spacious enough. On the left side of the living room is the kids' bedroom with a soft baby pink color. It features a large window for fresh air and ample light. And next to it is a shared bathroom with a separate door, which can be used by the guests as well. Next to the kids' bedroom is the master. It is large, adorned with soft colors on the wall. Very spacious, enough to comfortably fit in a king-size bed, a closet, and any other preferred personal items to be in your master. It features 2 large windows for fresh air and beautiful views. Very, very lovely. Next to the master bedroom is the master bathroom. It looks really lovely with brown colors, a darker brown and a softer brown. You get an illusion that there is an extra door in the master bathroom, but it's actually just the tile work. They made it look really pretty. I love the touch. and it is also spacious enough. So just to give you a recap, all the apartments look like this. The difference is this is a 3-bedroom, they do have a 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom as well, but they also do have very many other projects in different residential areas in Kampala, some which are very high-end. I believe this is one of the most affordable. So the 1-bedroom is $32,000 US, that's 115 UGX, 2-bedroom 175, 3-bedroom 189 Uganda shillings. Payment plan to make an initial deposit of 5 million shillings, that's about $1,500, and then this is already complete, so they'll give you 6 to 8 months to make your payment if you just want to come and buy right now. But if they are still off plan, if they're about to start construction, after making the initial deposit, you have at least 2 years to be able to complete your payment, as you're paying installments on a monthly basis as they do the construction. So share your thoughts all in the comment section. A share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And of course, if you are interested in the property, then reach out to me. I'll put all my contacts in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Of course, don't leave without subscribing. I thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.